Here are the kindergarten completers batch 2020-2021. Kindergarten Maaro Completers. Austria Roland Jacob S., son of Mr. and Mrs. Mark Joseph, Austria. Calderon Carl Edison B., son of Mr. and Mrs. Erickson Calderon. Iscanio Prince Brian T., son of Mr. and Mrs. Richard Iscanio. Estrada Ronnie Alexander Seth D., son of Mr. and Mrs. Roniel Rainier Estrada. Inco Rysel J. P., son of Mr. and Mrs. Ryan Inco. Mandia Denmark C., son of Mr. and Mrs. Danilo Mandia. Mercado John Noah G., son of Mr. and Mrs. Francisco Mercado. Nagal John Love N., son of Mr. and Mrs. Wilbert Nagal. Paragas Alden Ziad N., son of Mr. and Mrs. Melchor Paragas. Peñarroyo Sean Angel Yu, son of Mr. and Mrs. Ray Angel Peñarroyo. Ramos Junel, son of Miss Melissa Ramos. Salinas Sebastian E., son of Miss Jenaline Salinas. Uson Jeremy B., son of Mr. and Mrs. Jerry Uson. Awanan Giselle D., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dennis Awanan. Arce Arlian M., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Renato Arce. Arenas Princess Syra G., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Isabelo Arenas. Bravo Kisha Rizel C., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kennedy Bravo. Dizon Lonary G., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rudel Dizon. Dominguez Zia Gerain E., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rogelio Dominguez. Estrada Kristen May E., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jose Estrada Jr. Fernandez Noela C., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Noel Fernandez. Laganas Scarlett Nicole N., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. John Raymond Laganas. Manawis Rachel G., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joel Manawis. Pasqua Kirstin Joy Yu, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Henry Pasqua. Reyes Eisen Joan N., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ariel Reyes. Rosario Kristen Mar T., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. John Christopher Rosario. Ugaban Mariela N., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Mark Kennedy Ugaban. Uson Rizel B., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rolando Uson. Here are the kindergarten Maiter completers. Amoso Roy Adrian O., son of Mr. and Mrs. Ronel Amoso. Asuncion Jamerel Clef T., son of Mr. and Mrs. James Asuncion. Cabada Van Xavier Yu, son of Mr. and Mrs. Bando Cabada. Dumlao Nathaniel M., son of Mr. and Mrs. Rodel Dumlao. Dungonan Jasper M., son of Mr. and Mrs. James Dungonan. Garcia Justin Q., son of Mr. and Mrs. Freddie Garcia. Garcia Mark Joven D., son of Mr. and Mrs. Aguido Garcia. Inakay Nizan B., son of Mr. and Mrs. Jason Inakay. Manawis Jonathan E., son of Mr. and Mrs. Joseph Manawis. Manzano Roderick Jr. N., son of Mr. and Mrs. Roderick Manzano. Perez Aldrin Charles G., son of Mr. and Mrs. Rocky Perez. Ramos Tony Boy G., son of Mr. and Mrs. Carlito Ramos. Rosario James Nordren E., son of Mr. and Mrs. Mon Rosario. Salen John Gabriel C., son of Mr. and Mrs. Herson Salen. Abul Shikaina Sheska M., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Philamril Jake Abul. Babalo Chandra I., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Edelberto Babalo. Bernabe Brianna Kate I., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Eduardo Bernabe Jr. Kamuta Divine M., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Louie Kamuta. De la Cruz Janine Alexa Q., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Eduardo de la Cruz. Isguera Dayan M., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Wilfredo Isguera. Garcia Angeline M., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Adonis Garcia. Gonzales Lazi May J., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Segundo Gonzales. Lobo Krisha Joy M., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Juanito Lobo. Islang Maria Sofia P., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Arsenio Islang. Montano Eliza R., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Salvador Montano. Nicolas Mary Jane A., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Michael Nicolas. Nicolas Miley Ann B., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Melchor Nicolas. Quinto Angeline M., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Mario Quinto Jr. Rabago Sophia Q., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin Rabago. Congratulations, Kindergarten, Batch 2020-2021. Kindergarten Advisor, Ms. Johan Liza C. Mendoza.